Home security is a top priority for families across Sumter, whether you live in a quiet residential subdivision or a busy, well-traveled neighborhood. While alarms and cameras play an important role, one of the most effective ways to protect your home starts with something simple and highly visible: your doors. Replacing outdated or worn doors can dramatically improve home security while also enhancing comfort, style, and peace of mind. Stronger materials mean better protection. Older doors, especially hollow core or aging wood models, are easier to force open than many homeowners realize. Over time, exposure to humidity, heat, and daily use can weaken door materials and frames. Modern replacement doors are built with security in mind, using reinforced steel, fiberglass, or solid composite cores that are far more resistant to kicks, prying, and impact. For Sumter homeowners, this added strength is especially valuable during storms or severe weather, when doors must stand up to pressure as well as potential intruders. A sturdy replacement door acts as a first line of defense, making it much harder for unwanted visitors to gain entry. Advanced locking systems add another layer of safety. New replacement doors often come with upgraded locking options that go far beyond the basic single deadbolt found on many older homes. Multi-point locking systems secure the door at several points along the frame, distributing force and making forced entry significantly more difficult. Homeowners in Sumter neighborhoods also appreciate compatibility with smart locks, which allow you to monitor and control access remotely. Whether you're at work, on vacation, or simply relaxing at home, knowing your doors are securely locked adds real peace of mind. Improved door frames and installation matter. Security isn't just about the door itself. Many break-ins occur because the door frame or hinges fail under pressure. When you choose professional door replacement, the entire entry system is evaluated and upgraded if necessary. Reinforced frames, heavy-duty strike plates, and secure hinge installation all work together to create a stronger barrier. In established Sumter neighborhoods with older construction, this is particularly important. A new door installed into an old, weakened frame won't provide full protection. Proper replacement ensures every component contributes to your home's overall security. Better fit reduces vulnerabilities. Gaps, warping, and misalignment are common issues with aging doors. These flaws don't just affect energy efficiency, they also create weak points that intruders can exploit. Replacement doors are custom fitted to your entryway, eliminating gaps and ensuring a tight, secure seal. This precise fit makes it harder to pry the door open and also improves insulation, helping keep your home quieter and more comfortable year-round, an added benefit many Sumter homeowners appreciate. Enhanced visibility and neighborhood awareness. Modern replacement doors can include security glass options, such as impact-resistant or decorative glass with internal grids. These designs allow natural light while maintaining strength and privacy. Clear sightlines at entry points can also improve awareness of what's happening outside your home, especially in active neighborhoods. Some homeowners choose doors with sidelights or transoms designed to balance visibility and security, helping deter suspicious activity without sacrificing curb appeal. A visible upgrade that deters crime. A new, solid, well-installed door sends a clear message: this home is well cared for and well protected. In many cases, visible security upgrades are enough to discourage opportunistic crime. Intruders are more likely to move on when they see reinforced doors and modern hardware. Investing in peace of mind. Replacing your doors is more than a cosmetic upgrade, it's a practical investment in your family's safety. For Sumter homeowners, replacement doors offer stronger materials, better locks, improved installation, and a more secure fit, all working together to protect what matters most. If you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to improve home security in your neighborhood, starting with replacement doors is a smart and lasting choice.